Bluehost is an official WordPress recommended host offering optimized hosting with one-click installation, automatic updates, and tools like Wondersuite AI for beginners. Getting started, sign up for a Bluehost plan, includes free domain, SSL, and CDN. Log in to your Bluehost account manager. Go to Websites, Add Website, select Install WordPress, Continue, enter site title, choose domain or temporary, and complete setup. WordPress installs automatically. Use WonderStart AI onboarding. Answer questions about your site. AI generates layout, pages, and content suggestions. Using WordPress dashboard, access via Bluehost, single sign-on, or yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Appearance, themes, install, activate free or premium themes, browse thousands. Plugins, add new, install essentials, for example Yoast SEO, contact forms, caching. Create content, post for blogs, pages for static, home, about. Customize, use block editor, Gutenberg, or drag and drop builders like Wonderblocks.